no more.
Holy crap.
What happened?
Just put the party brake on. Just put the party brake on. We're gonna leave it alone.
Just you need some gas on. 01, pedaling throttle. Hit the gas through the dash when the cops come. Supercharged with a rap that they flock to. No more words, you can race if you want to. Take off at the red light, leave the dust on them. Tail lights, pass the demon in the night on them. Real loud, no sneaking like a lion on them. Big roar when I let the gear slide on them.
Who'd you ride with?
Alright, you're good.
Broke one LE here, broke 6.2, same guy, don't worry about that. Brian is always talking about. Anyway, we're gonna put this here diffuser on, just like we did on the green one, but this one's actually a nice car. So basically,
Basically.
that's about it.
Hello gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. Today's video we're going to be installing a street Aero Diffuser onto this stock 2019 SS 1LE.
Alright, you think that's good?
No, it's not even on the Bro! I can't do that no more!
Holy crap.
What happened?
Just put the party brake on. Just put the party brake on. We're gonna leave it alone.
Alright. We're gonna leave it like that?
How the f did this happen?
What the fucking thing?
Dude, he shoved it hard with the tire. The back thing hard with the... Well, it probably only spins.
Connor, how are you feeling at the moment?
Well, I'm glad this had back piece, because then my car would have been.
See, this is the problem I just spoke to you about on the camera, is that the jack is now in the way of the ramp. So
Well, we can
Connor,
move it back enough.
If you want to lift the car up.
Yes.
Oh. Sorry, I didn't realize that was.
Alright guys, real quick, if y'all not subscribed to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn those notifications on. There's like 90% of y'all that are not subscribed, so if you aren't subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting for, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, keep up with the content, and let's get on with the video. So my boy, why is it that you want this diffuser onto this here 1LE?
He wants that one that Google
It
is.
won't be like Trent, to be honest with you. That's
You-
all I ever aspired
Dude, I
to.
have the ugliest car out of the group.
You want to be cool like this guy.
Yeah,
That sucks.
That's a tall mountain to climb.
it is. But one day I'll be drinking high C.
Alright guys, so we got the Street Aero Diffuser, like I said, right here. We got all the winglets, these are not attached. My boy has attached them. I don't know if y'all saw it. I probably put in the video, but anyways, they're all attached. They come separate, they're numbered. Those are not letters, those are numbers. Fun fact. Anyways, we got it lined up and we got the right ones on the right side to be put on. We're about to do some measurements. And as y'all can see, it's pretty plain Jane. Like I said, it's a stock SS, nothing done to it. I don't.
Take out those bolts.
Yeah, we'll do that. Where's that? Oh God, bro. So here comes the big moment where we got to drill into the plastic, and that's where real pain happens for the owner, as he's going to realize that it's going to be painful drilling into the SS.
6 3/4.
Here's our construction guy about to do the thing. Did you figure it out?
6 3/4 and 1 1/4 for your hole.
Is that actual measurements?
Yeah.
Now for the car,
Damn, this is a real this is a real install video then, because we did not do this in our video.
Hey, copyright. Now see how solid it is.
Well, we still got like 18 more screws to put in. Look at that!
Look how ugly that is.
It doesn't look that good, but hey, we're still not done. There's room to expand.
whose car is on?
What you need?
That drill bit.
I can give you anything you need, baby.
Whatever.
Out in West Virginia, auntie. Got her pre- Bro, we put a bunch in. So guys, luckily we have the one elite here that we can check. Let's see.
Bro, that's 1, 2, 3. That's not even the right screw. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Bro, listen, we were stressing, okay?
Waller them out.
I have a folder for you in Austin. They're separated. Interesting. Let Zeb ride with you. Break the door. Hey Zeb, I need a new motor. You f***ed my motor.
As always,
I thought
perfect
you murdered
install
myself.
by you, boy.
Darn
I'm
it.
always installing this stuff on here because, you know, these cars are, you know, and I'm trying to make them look better, but the best I can do is halfway decent for this guy right now until we can get some more stuff. But
That's why he never drives his vet.
exactly, because it's perfect and I did everything great and he just sit there and stay perfect.
It's just true.
Tis true.
You're good.
Damn, that was actually kind of close.
Yeah, that's what I was like.
We're good. She poops. Sir, would you care to explain to us as to why this is a 2019 1LE instead of a 2018 1LE that you previously owned?
I'll tell you here.
And what?
So we basically play in the stock market with the car. So on a 2018 1LE, got it for 38, and it obviously had less warranty than a 2019 would. Anyway, 38K. They gave me what they gave me 52 for it. When I traded in, it had 7,000 more miles. They gave me
45.
45.
I'm pretty sure it was 45.
I think it was 48.
48. Yeah, you look mad cute. Bro.
Good at that, bro.
I sent it to all of y'all, and I saved
Yo,
it.
I look like a whole ass boy, like an actual like
You
working
genuinely
boy.
do, especially with your hand being in the pan.
Well, I mean, you
You gotta like have it
Like
up. You
post
can't.
every time you fill up at the gas pump and like.
That's all I do.
There you go. He looking cool.
Low key.
Post all the weed that he gets.
All the weed that he gets.
He posted his foot.
Do y'all want to go to Rodeo? I don't even know what time it goes. So.
Look at this drip. Look at this man drip.
I stay open for you, baby girl.
All right.
Connor, you never finished your story.
Oh, they gave me 48 for it. I bought it for 37. Bought it for 38. Put 8,000 miles on it. So I got return on that. Put that down on a 350. Yeah, they close at 9. Put it down on a 350. Ended up paying like $100 more a month for a 350. But it was like, oh, I have a 350. And then I realized I kind of bought that for, you know, everybody else. And not me. Did not enjoy it. So I traded that in. They gave me 55 for it, and I financed 46 for it originally. Put that down on this. My payments are less on this than 350 and the previous 1LE. I have a 5-year warranty on it. It has my old exhaust that the 1LE had, but it's a catback. It has long tube headers and wicker bill, just like my one did.
So what he's saying is he's gay.
Yeah.
I'm trying to find a picture of your 350.
B-dubs close.
Are you really finna drive all the way to B-Dubs?
Huh?
You're not.
I don't know.
Oh.
He's hungry, so we're going somewhere that's open.
There's an ugly yellow stain in the background, bro. What is that?
We have any beer here?
All right, boys. So we are finished with the install. My boy, how do you feel about the Street Aero Diffuser finally installed onto the broke 6.2?
It looks like.
Honestly, you know, I agree with him. I think my favorite part's the sticker.
He speaks for all of
That's
us.
the only reason I bought it. $200 sticker right there. You guys want to buy it? It doesn't have any bubbles in it.
That's 200 horsepower.
True. See, we installed it, but now I have to deinstall. Yeah, what are those bubbles?
Yeah, I'm sponsored. So hit up my code It's a big sack for a discount on Street Aero products. Son of a gun. Yeah.
Anyways, here's the diffuser. Looking mad fresh. I already put a bunch of clips in it, so y'all don't seen it before.
Buffalo Wild Wings closed at 12 in the morning?
Yes, bro.
I didn't know that.
Yes, you did.
Oh no, you have arisen the beast.
Oh!
Hi! Hey! Hi! This is my new helmet. This is my new helmet, babe. You like my helmet?
You hear my knee? My knee did your knee thing.
Hey, bro. Alright, guys. The demon came outside and is sleeping, but now it's back.
Why?
It's back outside. It said it's cold. I don't understand since it lives in hell.
Alright, guys, so that's going to do it for the video. I hope y'all enjoyed the install of the Street Aero Diffuser. He's going to do a wicker bill. I don't know if we're going to record that. Maybe y'all will see it in a future video. But I wanted to do another Street Aero install because of one that we did previously on the green car back there. Wasn't that good. I only had one camera. This time I had a much better camera. I wanted to record it better, and hopefully y'all will enjoy this one better. But let me know down in the comments below. I'll leave the link this time down below as well, so you can order the same exact diffuser. And yeah, I think it came out super clean. But y'all leave a like on the video, be sure to subscribe, turn those bell notifications on. We'll see you on the next one.
RS, SS22, Z01, sliding in a rainbow coupe. Saw your bitch, mouth drop, what it do? Worry about yourself, bitch, who the fuck is you?